Hi, welcome to Study Hall. Today we will be learning about the parts of speech. Word classes name roles words play in sentences. The key idea is that nouns name things, verbs show actions or states, adjectives describe nouns, and adverbs modify verbs or adjectives. Topic 1. What are nouns? Nouns are names of a person, place, thing, or idea. So that could be like a cat or an animal of any kind. London, because that's a place. A book, because it's a thing. Or freedom, because it's an idea. You can use an example by understanding who or what in a sentence. That will help you come up with and distinguish what is a noun and what is not a noun. Verbs. Verbs show actions or states of being. So running or run, is, eat, believe, those represent what happened or what is. So like, what are you doing? What happened? I am running. Or the dog ran away. The next topic is adjectives. Adjectives describe or modify a noun. So like red, tall, interesting, or fat. You can ask what kind or which one to find adjectives in a sentence. For example, when you see a very tall person, you're going to say, wow, that's a tall person. In that sentence, tall is the adjective. Topic 2. Adverbs. Adverbs are kind of a combination of adjectives and verbs. Adverbs modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. So that could be like quickly, very, well, yesterday. You're especially looking for words that end with ly, the li, so like quickly. But there will be some exceptions, so don't rely on that entirely. Combined examples. The quick brown fox jumped quickly. The quick brown fox. Quick and brown are the adjectives. Then the fox is the noun. And jumped is a verb, and quickly is the adverb. Quick is describing the noun, which is the fox, because a fox is a thing. And then jumped is an action, so that's a verb. And quickly is modifying the verb. So it could just be jumped, but then quickly makes it change the verb to jumping faster than it would have just been when it's just a plain jump. Next, she reads a long book calmly. Long is an adjective for the noun book. Book is a thing, which makes it a noun. And then calmly is the adverb. Especially look at that ly ending. Here are some practice tips. Identify role in the sentence. Try and find distinguished things. First, find the subject, action, or modifier, and then you'll be able to identify key parts. Test by substitution. Replace the word that you are looking at with similar words to check what class or group it would be part of. And also look for common endings. ly would be adverbs, ness or itty would be nouns, full and less are usually adjectives. But again, this isn't a set rule. There could be so many different other words that don't end in this but still come under that word class. To conclude, make sure to recognize word classes by their functions. So nouns, name, verbs, act or state, adjectives describe, and adverbs modify. Practice with short sentences and substitution to build quick identification skills. Thank you for listening, and remember to keep learning.